Have you ever wanted to track a few stocks without buying them immediately? Maybe you're researching, maybe you're waiting for the right price. That's exactly where a watch list helps. Today I'll show you how to create a watch list on the Axis Direct Trader app, step by step. Once you log into the app, look at the bottom navigation and tap on watch list. You'll see 4 empty watch lists already created for your convenience. Now let me show you how to add scripts. We'll use watchlist 1 as an example. Open watchlist 1 and tap on Add Scripts. The search window will open. Simply type the name of the stock you want to track and select it from the results. You can repeat this process to add multiple stocks in just a few seconds. Once you are done, tap on Back and all your selected stocks will appear in your watchlist. And if you want to make changes, tap on the Settings icon. From here, you can delete stocks you no longer need and simply save your changes. You can also rename your watch list. Let's call this one my new watch list. Clean and organized. You can add up to 50 stocks in each watch list and you can get 4 watch lists in total, giving you the flexibility to organize and track stocks efficiently. And that's how you build a watch list that truly works for you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.